Chapter 3 Taxes. As a business owner, you have specific tax responsibilities to ensure compliance, and there are multiple government bodies that you are subject to file taxes on a monthly, quarterly, and annual basis. In general, a business owner is required to file and pay taxes at the federal, state, and local level. A huge portion of your taxes is paid at the federal level, while some go to the state, your local municipality, and other government entities such as the Social Security Administration. There are different types of taxes you need to be aware of. As the sole business owner, you are responsible for paying income taxes and self-employment tax. If you have employees, there will be more tax responsibilities you need to comply with, such as paying FICA taxes, federal unemployment tax, state unemployment tax, and withholding a portion of their salary to file and pay income tax on their behalf. If you are selling goods or products, you may be subject to collecting and remitting sales and excise tax on certain goods. Let's dive deeper into each type and shed some clarity so you'll have a better understanding of how each one works. First, we have income tax. This is the most important as it comprises the bulk of your tax obligations. Income tax is based on the taxable income your business earns after deducting eligible expenses. You are responsible to allocate a portion to be paid to the federal, state, and local government. Federal tax rate is based on a progressive tax table that changes each year, while state and local tax rates vary by state and local tax laws. If you employ workers, you are also responsible in withholding a portion from their paychecks to pay and remit their income tax obligations. Second, we have self-employment tax. Self-employment tax is comprised of Social Security and Medicare taxes, which are also known as FICA taxes. Since small business owners are often considered self-employed, you are responsible for paying both the employer and employee portions of FICA taxes. These taxes fund benefits like retirement and healthcare. Next, we have employment taxes, also known as payroll tax. If you have employees, you are responsible for paying half of their FICA taxes, federal unemployment tax, which are filed annually, and state unemployment tax, filed quarterly. You must also withhold income tax and the employee portion of FICA taxes from their wages. In most cases, these are the main tax obligations for small business owners, but some may be responsible for collecting and remitting sales and excise taxes if you sell products that meet the threshold and requirements, which can vary by state. Small business owners may also have to consider property tax if you own commercial property. Taxes may seem like a huge financial burden for a business, but the tax law usually wants to help incentivize entrepreneurship, investment, and economic growth. So they usually provide certain tax provisions such as deductions, credits, and favorable treatment of certain business expenses, which can provide advantages for business owners. By planning and executing the right mix of tax strategies, such as structuring your income and choosing a tax-advantaged business entity, you can drastically reduce your tax burden while still complying with the law. It is important to seek professional advice from an accountant or tax specialist to help you navigate the tax landscape and ensure compliance with all applicable tax laws.